y'all, welcome to today's video of, hey G-Maw, what's for supper? I'll tell you what's for supper tonight. Zucchini boats. That's right. Come along with me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to get started with these delicious zucchini boats. Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, zucchini boats is very nutritious and easy peasy. There's a lot of ways that you can cut your zucchini to make zucchini boats, okay? You can do rounds, which is what I'm gonna do tonight with this big sucker. Y'all, don't be afraid to let your zucchini get this big because this is a good purpose for it, okay? You can cut zucchini this big in rounds and you can make zucchini boats. You can make Parmesan crisps. You can grill, you can roast, you can veggie burgers, you can, little pizzas. Yes, zucchini pizzas. We may make some one night, but tonight we're going to stick with zucchini boats, okay? Or you can cut them long ways, lengthways. And you can, there's two ways you can cut them lengthways, okay? You can get a mandolin and go down your mandolin lengthwise. And you can make sheets, y'all. Zucchini sheets also makes a good substitute for a keto lasagna, using your sheets to act as your lasagna sheets, your lasagna noodles. Good keto and diabetic recipe for lasagna, okay? Or you can just cut this lengthwise in half, scoop out all your seeds if there's any in it, and then make your boat. Okay, so you can make zucchini boats different ways. Now, it's going to be easy for me tonight because I already have some meat mixture on hand because we made some spaghetti the other day and we wound up making more meat mixture than we actually needed. So I have some of that left over that I'm going to be using for the boats. Okay, but this is what you're going to do next. Okay, so you can just follow along and get prepared and just pause. You're going to make up your meat mixture with just ground whatever. You can do chicken, ground turkey, ground beef, ground chuck, okay? Whatever you want. And you're going to brown it, drain it, pour your spaghetti sauce in it. That's it. That is your next step to do because I'm not going to be doing that in this video because I already have some mixture left over. So do that right quick. And then I will show you how I'm going to slice my rounds and I'm going to put them on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil and some seasonings, and then I'm going to roast them to about al dente. Okay, so let's get these two steps done, or y'all get y'all step done. I'll be working on my zucchini, and we'll join back here in just a minute. Hey y'all, did y'all get y'all step done? Okay, I'm gonna have to tweak mine right quick, change of plans on mine. When my dear hubby asked me, hey G-Maw, what's for supper? Or sweetheart, what's for supper? He calls me sweetheart, okay? I told him what we were having for supper and he said, oh, can you do it this way? Sure, yes, darling, I can. Okay, so I'm just going to change the way I cut my zucchini. That's all. He wants the boats and the scooped out version. That's all I'm going to do. And instead of heating up the kitchen right now, with the oven, he wants me to do it in the air fryer to make it easy on me. He said, why don't you just make it easy on you and just do it in the air fryer? But I want the boats, you know, the scooped out version. Okay, dear. Yes, I can. So that's all I'm tweaking on mine. I'm not going to be doing the rounds tonight just because he asked and I love him and that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to get my zucchini and I'll show you how I'm going to cut it up and then we're going to get it on my little air fryer I have a different air fryer in our house than I do when we're traveling, okay? I don't have the air fryer in our house that has the little basket. I have the air fryer that just looks like a mini oven, and it has the wire racks on it where you slide in there. So I'm going to get my zucchini over here. I'm going to let you watch me slice it and scoop it out, and then we're going to get it all oiled up and stuff, and then we're going to stick it in the air fryer, okay? Okay, y'all, I got all my seasonings and stuff out that I'm going to need. I'm going to cut my ends off on my zucchini. Now, since this is this long, I'm probably going to get 4 boats. I'm going to cut it in half this way. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it in half again. Don't cut your fingers, y'all. Okay, there's those 2. Then here's these 2. Okay, he wants the scooped out version, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, you're going to just take a spoon and scoop out the middle. Take the seeds out. And just scrape them out. Just get it clean. That's all you do. See that little hump in there? See your little scoop, your little boat? There you go. All right? We're just going to, if you've got chickens, throw them out to the chickens. Y'all, some people actually save their seeds and will plant some. But you've got to get a bigger squash or zucchini than this in order to plant the seeds. There we go. We got that one scooped out. Now, these are bigger. He'll probably get the bigger ones. I'll take the smaller ones. Whoop. Now, did y'all get your other step done? Browning your meat and stuff like that? Because y'all, all I have to do is just, when I get ready to do these, all I have to do is just heat up some meat mixture or just put mine on there. Y'all, I just got mine out of the refrigerator because like I said, I had some meat mixture left over from spaghetti. Y'all, sometimes if you make too much of spaghetti, you know how you are. You think you're making the right portion, and then all of a sudden you either get too many noodles or you get too much sauce. Well, we wound up having too much sauce for our noodles. So we just use it for something else, y'all, just like this. And it freezes well. Freeze your meat sauce for another night. And y'all, noodles freezes good. Even after they've been cooked, noodles still freeze good. All right, y'all. I can actually put this in my vegetable scrap bag that I'm saving up in the freezer to make vegetable stock. Y'all go catch that video. How to make my vegetable stock. Okay, now this is what we're going to do next. I don't need that other one because they're all going to fit on here. Let me wash my hands. Okay, I'm going to take my vegetable oil and I'm just going to like do this, drizzle, because I'm going to put this in my air fryer. And I'm just going to kind of like get these al dente, okay? And I'm going to use salt and pepper. Y'all, you can do this in your oven if you want to. There's a lot of things you can do in your air fryer if you don't want to fry things in your oven or something like, in your deep fryer or something like that with oil. Y'all, air fryers. Okay? Salt and pepper, a little bit of granulated onion. Y'all, I do this with frozen zucchini too that has been thawed out. Okay? It's just right now we're just using a fresh one because we picked some from the garden and it's okay. I do this with frozen too. I will go and get a bag out of the freezer that I have purposely cut for zucchini boats. And I'll go get them out of the freezer, let them thaw out, squeeze all of the water out of the bag, and then use it. I'm going to put a little bit of parsley. Y'all, this is some parsley that we grew and we dehydrated it or air dried it. Yeah. and just put it in our little bottle. I want the boats to taste just as good too, okay? Did I tell y'all I just sprinkled that with granulated garlic? Did I miss that part? I might have been talking. Sorry. Okay? Italian seasoning. So I want my boats to get a bite of goodness too. Seasonings. There we go. All right, now I'm going to slip these in our air fryer over here, and I'm going to program it. And I'm going to get these like al dente, okay? I still want a little crunch, but I don't want them mushy, okay? So I'm going to do that. Y'all slip y'all's in the oven, okay? Or whatever you're going to cook it in. Then we'll meet back in a minute, let you see the next step. There it is, y'all, in our air fryer. This is our air fryer right here that we have in the house. I will try to find this one and link it down below to where you can see what it is and check it out. It's just a different kind of air fryer. So I'm going to let that run, and we'll be back in just a minute. While my zucchini is in the air fryer, we're going to have a side with it tonight. I have opened up a bag of creamed corn that was in our freezer that we vacuum sealed from last year or year before last. I've just opened up the bag. I'm fixing to put it in a sauce pot with some butter and salt and pepper, okay? And we're just going to have some cream style corn along with our zucchini boats tonight. Y'all, I'm not kidding. Y'all put up that corn. I don't care if you grow it in your garden. I don't care if you go and buy it from the store or the farmer's market and come home and preserve it, okay? We put all of our cobs and stuff in vacuum sealed bags, or if I want some creamed, I might do some creamed corn, but I quit doing it like this. This is the last bag of some corn that I actually creamed off of the cob, but I stopped doing it that way after a long time, and now we just process our cobs and we just put it all in the freezer in vacuum sealed bags in cob form. Now, when I want to take out corn and cook with it, I will take out a bag of cobs, okay? And then I will do with it what I want to. I can cut all the kernels off and have whole kernel corn. I can cut off the kernels off the corn and get the juice off of the cobs and have cream style corn. Or I can leave it on the cob in the vacuum sealed bag and steam in the microwave in the vacuum sealer bag and have corn on a cob. There you go. There's you some ideas. Okay, so I'm going to get this in a sauce pot on the stove. All right, y'all, I've got mine out of the air fryer. Oh my gosh. Do y'all see that roasted goodness? This is hot too. Do y'all see that roasted goodness? See those crispy little edges? Okay, al dente. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to start ladling my meat sauce into the middle. That's all. Y'all get your meat sauce ready. Start putting it in the middle. My husband's going to want a bunch on them big pieces, so there you go, darling. Okay? Y'all be sure to also go check out our harvesting and processing our corn videos, and I'll show you how we do our corn. Very easy to where it's a quick process. You just fix it like you want it later after you open up the bags. You don't have to stand there and do all, y'all, I used to get buckets and a sheet and some dish pans down in the floor with me in the living room, turn the TV on, cut on some movies, and sit there and take days doing that corn. Oh, no, honey, I don't anymore. I do it all up on the cob now, put it in the freezer, and then when I get it out of the freezer and get ready to use it in the meal, then I do with it what I want to. Mozzarella cheese. Let's get all this unstuck together, okay? We're going to put mozzarella cheese on top. I'll just put him a big glob on top. We like our mozzarella cheese too, okay? You're just going to load that baby up with some mozzarella cheese. This is a way, y'all, that if you have put up a garden, this is recipes, y'all, to use up what's in your freezer. I showed y'all a freezer tour, how we use our vegetables and things, well, this is another meal I'm going to add to that. Okay? I don't think in that video I made any, but now I am. Okay? Load these babies up with mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to use this whole bag, y'all. There's no sense in, putting that little bitty bit back in the refrigerator. So let's just go ahead and put some on here now. Okay? I'm going to actually prop this one up a little bit because it's getting a little overloaded. All right? Now, let's just load mine up a little bit. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, y'all, you can go one step further and throw your little Parmesan on there. I don't care. I'm going to. Throw a little Parmesan on there. Load it up. Y'all, you can put ricotta. Y'all can put, I don't like ricotta. Y'all can put sour cream. You can put cream cheese. Y'all can put anything on these, in these, whatever you want, okay? Now, all we're going to do is put this back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking until that cheese is melted and ooey and gooey and bubbly. Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in the air fryer. Y'all, that's hot. I just got mine out of the air fryer. Do y'all see that zucchini boat goodness? Oh, my gosh. All right, I'm going to take me some up right quick. Where's mine? Those are his. These are mine, and I may not eat all these, y'all. I might just better get one, but I'm going to put both of them on my plate just in case, It might be a little good. All right, so we're going to scoop them up. Y'all, look at that string. I love it. Look at that string. I may not eat all this, y'all. Okay, I got to have the rest of that cheese that's on that little thing right there. There we go. Oh, I got to taste that. Oh, my gosh. Even the mozzarella's good. Okay, here's our corn. Cream style corn on the side. Oh my goodness. Woo, that was hot. Yes, that was hot. Okay, look at that goodness, y'all. Let me turn y'all around here. Look at that goodness. Can y'all smell that? This is smell-o-vision. Oh my gosh. Test this, okay? I don't like to cook something that may not turn out good, so we're going to taste test this, y'all, okay? So, let me get a little bite. And this is going to be hot, y'all. Oh, my gosh, y'all, that zucchini is done just right. It's not mushy, but it's still a little firm where you get just a teeny tiny bit of roasted crunch. That string, y'all, I'm loving it. Okay, I got to blow on this, y'all. I'm trying to keep y'all out of this light behind me. Okay, look at that. Ugh. Okay, whoop, and it just fell in my hands. It fell off my fork. Okay, here we go. Y'all, my husband made the meat mixture. It's got peppers, onions, mushrooms. He soups his up, y'all. Okay, his spaghetti sauce. Okay. Y'all ready? The zucchini has got that texture. Plus, when you bite into the zucchini, I'm sorry, I'm spitting. When you bite into the zucchini, I got that parsley, the Italian seasonings, the garlic powder. So your zucchini has some flavor before you load the boat. Before everybody gets in the boat, it's already got some flavor. Y'all, I'm happy, happy, happy. That is supper tonight. Zucchini boats, zucchini rounds, however you want to cut them. Y'all, put that zucchini to work for y'all, okay? Do it in different meals. Shred it, cube it, cut it into rounds, cut it into sheets, and use it in lasagna. Oh my gosh, y'all, that's going to be... I have made a zucchini lasagna before, a keto version, okay? And you take a mandolin, you slice your zucchini long ways, and you make the little thin sheets. Okay, use that for your lasagna sheets, okay? And then layer it and make your lasagna, y'all. Diabetics and keto lovers, there's y'all a recipe right there. Just substitute zucchini instead of your lasagna pasta noodles. There you go. I'm going to be like the Pillsbury Doughboy. And I'm going to go enjoy this. See y'all in the next one.